In the 21st century, there is nothing more important than doing regular exercise. However, a challenge comes when you're choosing the right exercise program. Picking the right exercise program is a daunting task, especially when one is a newbie at it. Nonetheless, getting in shape does not mean that one has to scale mountains or hit the pavement for a strenuous workout. The first step could be as easy as using a rowing machine to improve one's overall health, and due to its low impact, it's easy and less strenuous for all ages and fitness levels. We have listed the top 5 rowing machines and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, legitpick.com. Number 5. Nordic Track RW900. Nordic Track's RW900 rower was the overall best rowing machine in 2020, particularly for your home gym. It has seen tremendous improvements from the previous model, and this is what is making it stand far above its earlier models. Now, it has a difference of over 22-inch interactive touchscreen. It's due to this massive display that it's making it possible to comfortably view and exercise with 30 built-in programs in addition to the 12,000 interactive workout sessions accessible through its iFit Coach subscription. The iFit Coach enables you to access both on-demand and live workouts. You can adjust your resistance range up to 26 levels by either increasing or decreasing it. The RW900 rower is one of the most silent rowers you can find in the market today due to the magnetic resistance that makes it a smooth and quiet workout. The handle and ergonomic molded seat have been professionally engineered to match your physical features that enhance your comfort during your workouts. The pedals are oversized to cater to any shoe size. The nylon Velcro straps also increases your safety as you accelerate your speed and energy. It comes with an excellent limited warranty of 15 years on the frame, 2 years on labor, and 5 years on the parts. Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Water Rower SFRW5713. Looking for an ergonomic rowing machine or a compact one? Or maybe one with modern features? Well, this rowing machine has got you covered. It boasts 5 significant things. 1. Its water performance feature that ensures you enjoy a smooth and steady rowing experience with the flywheel and steel fan blades offering you an out-of-this-world experience. 2. It comes with a sturdy steel design to improve performance and increase durability, along with 3 hydro blades that mimic the movements of competitive rowing along with sweat-resistant bars. 3. Ergo efficiency. The seat is built with you in mind. It's padded, increasing the machine's comfortability and functionality. Also, by setting the seat at a high level, you can get on and off it without straining back muscles. 4. Fitness technology with the R2 fitness meter designed to track all essential workout metrics accurately. And finally, the rowing machine is space efficient. It'll fit in well even in tight apartment spaces. It is equipped with high-density, non-marking rubber wheels that make it easy to move around and store upright when not in use. Number 3. Concept2 Model D Indoor Rowing Machine with PM5. This rowing machine from Concept2 is the most popular in its class. While it's not necessarily the most feature-packed, the rower offers a reliable experience and can be used at home, even if it's more suitable for heavy gym use, due to its robust materials. Supporting a wide range of workouts, the rowing machine comes with target objectives or simple rowing training. Made with the PM5 monitor, which is angle adjustable, it's one of the fastest rowing machines for users' input. Concept2's PM5 wins in all categories in its class such as screen size, ease of use, durability, and adjustability. With just a few clicks, users are ready to row. But PM5 also has solid compatibility. It connects to heart rate monitors via Bluetooth and comes complete with ANT technology. Both of these connecting technologies can be used to save workout data to various fitness apps. Concept2 also has its own WOD, Workout of the Day, which is compatible with Model D and prompts users to reach and surpass their fitness capacity. The rowing machine can fold up into a W, making it easy to store away when not in use. In gyms, it can simply be stored vertically, which also saves floor space. Taking care of the Model D is not complicated either. Every 40 hours, users need to oil the strong chain for it to support the smoothest rowing movements. It works strictly on air resistance, which makes it much more difficult to row the harder a user pulls the chain. Based on a solid chain with good lubrication, the rowing machine is not known for any noise issues. Training early in the morning while kids are still sleeping is possible with this one. At 57 pounds, the rowing machine is easy to move around the house and has easy storage in corners or behind furniture. Number 2, SereneLife Air and Magnetic Rowing Machine. What better way to get a full body workout than the air and magnetic rowing machine from SereneLife? This equipment provides low-impact workouts that target the forearms, biceps, triceps, shoulders, legs, thighs, and more with easy-to-use air and magnetic technology. This home or gym rowing machine really helps with full-body workouts, as it's ideal for sports training, cardio fitness, burning off fats, and ultimately, weight loss. You may track your activities because of its technology and can measure time, distance, strides, and calories burned. The SereneLife machine is made from durable and premium quality steel metal alloy and engineered ABS that is built to last. It can hold weights up to 250 pounds, which makes it practically suitable for all sizes. You may also increase or decrease the 8 levels of resistance with a simple twist of a button, so you're sure the machine is in tune with your needs for a more effective fitness journey that is made just for you. Storing and transporting your rowing machine is also a breeze, as it's foldable, so you can take your workout anywhere around the house. It also assures a quiet workout because of its smooth gliding contour row seat that is comfortable to use and supports the back, along with the pedal-style footrests. It also features a digital LCD display that helps you monitor elapsed time, strides, distance, revolutions per minute, calories burned, and much more. Number 1, Life Fitness Row HX Trainer. Discover a new and refreshing way to get fit. The Life Fitness machine offers a workout experience like no other. This machine is made with natural wood and tempered steel frame that is both elegant and durable and is not only an effective way to stay fit, but also a piece of exercise equipment that you can proudly display in your home. Life Fitness rowing machine has 4 resistance levels that are available with just the turn of a dial. These easy adjustments allow every user to challenge themselves with a variety of intensity without extra effort. This machine also has a unique fluid technology resistance system that delivers a smooth and natural feel. Users of Life Fitness appreciate and love the beautiful whooshing sound the water makes, adding a relaxed feeling while still providing consistent resistance throughout each rowing stroke. The Row HX Trainer is perfect for low-impact but total body workout, even in the comfort of your own home. It also has an LCD display. Just make sure to put the machine in a nicely lit area so you can easily see what's on the screen. Fitness experts and health professionals agree that rowing machines provide the ideal training workout possible. This machine will allow you to target the vast majority of your muscle groups and give you training as hard and challenging as you want. On the best rowing machine models, you can track your progress and see how you're improving. Compared to a treadmill machine, the rowing machine workouts work most of your body parts. It'll really affect the shoulders, quadriceps, the core, the hamstrings, the arms, the buttocks, and the back in an efficient way while having a low impact. Rowing on a good rowing machine reduces stress on the joints and gives you a great comfort and makes you relax. You should choose that rowing machine which fits your budget and adapts to your body, heart, muscles, and mind. And we think Concept2 Model D will be the best choice for you as the best rowing machine for home use. Let us know in the comments below which rowing machine you are going to choose. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this one and it helped you in any way, please give it a like. And if you don't want to miss future videos, subscribe to the channel. Till next time, see you guys later.